So is this an antimatter jet engine? Did I say that correctly?
Yes, I designed it myself. Now, most people haven't figured out how to create antimatter or use it in a jet engine, but I have figured out how. Because people have figured out how to store antimatter, and that way is a penning trap. So I'm going to use a penning trap to store the antimatter.
Identify the penning trap in the picture.
Okay, so this is the penning trap. I'm shooting ions into the side, so ions...
Where's the penning trap again?
This is the penning trap. This whole area right there.
Okay. And what is that made of?
So the penning trap can be made of any conductive material so that the ions go through it and spread all around and go into it. Like, so
all around here?
This is radiating. See, these two are connected. It's connected. The ions are connected to all of this, to all of the penning trap walls. So it'll just come radiating from the side so that the antimatter can't touch the sides of the penning trap and it'll blow up.
Okay.
So that's how you store the antimatter, and then I'm going to route it up in here. But how do I create the antimatter in the first place? So here's how.
How?
So I have this, which shoots laser light, very hard laser light at each other.
Both of these, this one and this one?
Yeah, they're shooting laser light at.
Will it meet here, or is
No,
it
there's
just...
lasers in here that are shooting at each other.
Multiple lasers inside of this.
Inside of this.
Okay.
And this. So multiple lasers.
And it comes out of here?
Yeah, and the antimatter comes out of there. Oh. So the lasers hitting each other, the photons collide, it creates a matter-antimatter pair, Hawking radiation. But to stop the matter-antimatter pair from blowing up, because when matter and antimatter combine, they blow up. So let's say you have the positron. The antimatter forms the electrons, so if they come together, then they'll blow up. And just 1 gram of antimatter could blow up a city. So you'd need 2.5 trillion tons of antimatter to blow up the world.
I hope we don't get that much.
No, we're never gonna get that much.
Good
That's
to know.
that's 2.5 trillion tons. How are you gonna get that much? Well, I mean, we could. Someone could if they wanted to blow up the world. No one wants to do that.
Thank you for sharing.
But it's not done yet.